Our top story, Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal has cracked the whip on dissenters. The AAP National Disciplinary Committee has expelled Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, Anand Kumar and Ajit Jha from the party for indulging in anti-party activities in violation of the Code of Conduct. The Aam Aadmi Party media press release said that Yadav, Bhushan and Kumar's response to the show cause notice was considered and deliberated, and the committee found their responses unsatisfactory. While Ajit Jha failed to furnish a response within the slated time, but after examining the evidence, he was also found guilty of indiscipline and anti-party activities. Bhushan and Yadav had organized the Swaraj Samvad meet and questioned Aam Aadmi Party over its internal democracy.
अब आपको कोई आपके ही घर से घसीट के बाहर निकाल दे तो कैसा लगेगा, और उसके बाद आप पे कैमरा लगा के पूछे कि आपकी पहली प्रतिक्रिया, तो आपको कैसा महसूस होगा। जाहिर है शुरू में कुछ गुस्सा आता है, ये निकालने वाले कौन होते हैं, क्या कमेटी है, ये कोई तरीका है। फिर दुख होता है, आप पलट के घर की तरफ देखते हैं और सोचते हैं ये छूट गया, वो छूट गया। इतने अच्छे कार्यकर्ता, इतना गौरव रहा इतने खूबसूरत लोगों के साथ काम करने का।
अब मैं इंडिविजुअल इश्यूज़ के ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहता, क्योंकि वो अंदरूनी चीज़ें थी। हर एक के अगेंस्ट में एक से ज़्यादा इश्यूज़ थे और जिसका उन्हें नोटिस दिया गया था, और उन सब को देखते हुए एक ऐसा नहीं था कि किसी एक पर्टिकुलर इशू के ऊपर ही ये डिसीजन लिया गया। उन सब इश्यूज़ को देखते हुए पाया गया कि इसमें कई सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हो गई जिससे एक तो एंटी पार्टी एक्टिविटी थी, पार्टी की छवि को धक्का पहुंचता है और पार्टी की ताकत को भी धक्का पहुंच रहा था। इस तरह की हरकतों का देखा गया।
All right, Brijesh Pandey is with us on this story. Now, Brijesh, we saw this coming. For a very long time, the Aam Aadmi Party, the Arvind Kejriwal Aam Aadmi Party had been saying that action will be taken if they go ahead with that rebel conclave. They went ahead with the conclave, action now has been taken. The big question now is what next for this rebel duo or trio? What are they going to do next?
Well, I think, Sanket, the obvious fallout with this will be that they will go ahead and form a new party. They will definitely would want to tap into the mood and minds of their various supporters before actually announcing the course. But the expulsion of them from Aam Aadmi Party has literally left them with no option. And you know, when they formed this social organization called Swaraj, they almost knew that it was coming, because given the kind of reply both Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav had given in reply to show cause notice which was issued to them, it was very clear that that there was now no room whatsoever left in their negotiation of any kind of burying the hatchet between the two. So the obvious now inference is that they will go ahead and kind of try to turn the social organization which they have formed into a political party. When can we expect them? It's too early to say right now, but I think they will definitely be in touch and talk to all the supporters and well-wishers.
Brijesh, another development that has happened is that Mr. Shanti Bhushan today launched a fresh attack on Arvind Kejriwal, asking him to expel him next. Let's go across to Mr. Shanti Bhushan, who joins us on the phone line at this moment. Morning, Mr. Bhushan. What forces you to make a comment like this?
Well, today everyone is regarding it as an honor to be expelled by Kejriwal, who inside had decided to create an ideal which only choose to solve problems different sections of the people. It was the dream of millions of Indians in India and abroad. But he has dashed, he has played a fundamental role of the country and made a party into a party like the BSP, Mayawati's BSP, the Samajwadi Party, etc. Totally. So it was my mistake not to be able to identify him properly. course, I had to tell him that he was not the kind of person that I had thought he was. And an exchange of emails with him on 9 July, I did an email. I got a reply from him on 21st July. 22nd July, I sent him a reply. Thereafter, he did reply. Today, I'm making those 3 emails public. I will also send it to you if you so want. Those 3 emails. For the first time, I'm making those public. Because they have said that kind of
Well,
fraud with the people of India.
Mr. Bhushan,
Yes, right.
Mr. Bhushan, I deeply apologize. There seems to be some audio connection problem in that phone line. You're making a pertinent point. From what I gather is that you want to make a revelation today. There are some emails that you're talking about. We're going to hang up and call you again so that we can get more detail on what you're actually trying to say. So, Shanti Bhushan making some claims today that he is going to make certain revelations. He's going to release certain emails that are going to speak volumes about the functioning of the Aam Aadmi Party. We'll try reconnecting Mr. Shanti Bhushan in just a short moment from now. Let me, for the time being, go across to Brijesh. Brijesh, any guess what really could those emails actually be? Because it's one thing is very clear, that as far as the the core team of the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, the 3 or 4 big names apart from Kejriwal, all of them suddenly have a feeling that what is happening within the Aam Aadmi Party, the voice of reason within the Aam Aadmi Party is gone. And as Shanti Bhushan actually said, the very little that we could gather, he said that the party has almost become like the Bahujan Samaj Party, where one person decides, others follow.
Well, absolutely, Sanket. If you look at the way the Aam Aadmi Party began, it had people, eminent personalities from all walks of life, to the current situation where there's a motley group which has surrounded Arvind Kejriwal, and everybody who had an independent voice or was drafted into Aam Aadmi Party or who played a significant role in its building from a revolution to a political party, they all have been sidelined. And given the fact that that Prashant Bhushan, Shanti Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav were privy to almost every single decision that made, one can only guess that the revolution which will be made by Shanti Bhushan will be further damaging the aura of Arvind Kejriwal, who now many have started calling him as a kind of a despot within the party. And Shanti Bhushan's analogy of Aam Aadmi Party being in Bahujan Samajwadi Party in exact political parlance is particularly true, because now there is only one person, and that is Arvind Kejriwal in Aam Aadmi Party, and apart from it there's nobody, there's no second rung of leaders who can actually stand up against him. Sanket?
That's right. No second rung of leaders who can actually stand against him. But also, there was consistent warning as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned and the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. And this almost appeared, or was made to appear, as a case of indiscipline. That party's forum could have been used to address these issues. Why go outside?
Well, yes, there was a point in that, and I think post-Delhi elections, when the results came out, then the Arvind Kejriwal camp thought that now is the time to go for an all-out purge, because the popularity of Aam Aadmi Party at that point of time was at its peak, and this is exactly how it started when it started happening, and they kept on giving Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav a long rope to hang themselves. They virtually revealed most of the content, the letters which were written, both sides leaked letters, whatever confidential communication that was there. And situation had actually come in the last 1 month where it was a point of no return. It was either Arvind Kejriwal or Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav. There were some efforts which were made to ensure reconciliation between the two parties. But honestly speaking, Sanket, it was like, the trust between the 3 people, they irreparably broken. And it was extremely hard for them to come back on the same page as they were when the party started. And this was a natural process, a natural corollary of all the events which have been taking place in the last month and a half. Sanket?
Right, Brijesh, many thanks for joining us at this moment. We are in the process of connecting with Mr. Shanti Bhushan, and the moment he's with us, we'll come back to this particular story. So expect a huge row, a battle royale between these two factions all over again today. The latest that we are hearing is that the Arvind Kejriwal camp is also expected to release some reasons why it went ahead with this decision of theirs on why Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav were expelled or removed from the party. The reasons why it all happened, we are expecting that in just a short moment from now. And also another salvo being fired from the Bhushans, where Mr. Shanti Bhushan actually claimed that he is going to reveal or actually give us certain email exchanges which he feels are going to be absolutely damning. So we wait to hear from both the sides of the Aam Aadmi Party divide on what really. The truth is that it's getting uglier and uglier. Aap Quake turning uglier.